Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by locating Photos app and then selecting Photos section at the bottom left corner. Finally, just hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, tap on Delete button at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-ups. As you can see, after that, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!